Welcome back, everybody. So this has been burning a hole in my figurative pocket for like a month and a half. So I was down in Florida with Hannah about a month and a half ago. Hannah's our oldest daughter. And on the way back through, we drove the long way up through Florida and through the Mobile, Alabama area, Pensacola, sorry, and then into Mobile and up into Mississippi. And look what I picked up. I picked up some alligator fillets. Now, I've had alligator tail before. In fact, Steve, my hunting buddy, and I, we always get deep fried gator bites, they call them alligator tail, on our hunting trips each year. And of course, every time I'm down in South Texas working, I always get it as well. But today, this northerner here in Colorado, so please have mercy on me, you folk from down south. I'm going to try my hand at making some alligator bites. So we've got the alligator tail here, alligator fillets, what does it say? South Fresh Farms. And when I was there at that market in Mississippi, I also picked this up. Look at this. Bojack, made in Mississippi, Bojack's seafood mix. Look at there, there's a verse on there as well. The verse says, "A good name is rather to be chosen than great riches and loving favor rather than silver and gold." Proverbs 22:1. And if that's not enough, when we were in Florida, I picked this up. It could be terrible, I don't know, but it's called gator hammock. I mean, it looks like we got the perfect deal here, so let's get it going. I have a few inches of peanut oil in a cast iron skillet. We're on the Blackstone 36 air fryer combo. The instructions on the batter mix say 350, and it looks like we are up around 341. Grab that pack of alligator meat. You remember that Blackstone limited edition Swiss Army knife. All right, let's cut this open here and see what we're working with. I've never touched raw alligator tail meat, so first ever for me here. They're cut into little pieces. That's convenient. So when you get these at a Cajun restaurant, at least the ones I've been to, they're always deep fried, right? Nice golden batter. And they usually serve them up with some kind of a dipping sauce, like a spicy ranch or something like that. So it's kind of what we're gonna do today. I don't know if there's a rhyme or a reason to the sizes here, but I'm just gonna kind of cut these up a little bit. So got a nugget there, and we'll just cut off little pieces. Pour out the batter mix. So we're gonna do just that. And folks, I know you're watching and you're thinking that's just flour and seasoning. Yep, I know. Just happened to pick this up at the market though. Where about the alligator, I figured, let's give it a try. And the instructions also say to crack 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and mix it with 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. But you know me, I am not about to measure this. It might be 4, it might be 5, it might be 6. I'm gonna do my own ratio there, and then we're gonna mix this up. I do like the addition of the heavy whipping cream suggestion on the Bojack seafood mix. That's a pretty cool suggestion there. That's something I wouldn't have normally thought of myself, so let's find out. Oh yeah, that's good. That's definitely heavy. I like the looks of it. Instructions say to dip it in the egg heavy whipping cream batter, and then to dust it with the seafood dry batter. So we'll do that on a few pieces here. In we go. You notice I'm wearing gloves today. A lot of times when I deep fry stuff, I don't wear gloves, and then yeah, gets a little messy. So we're going with gloves today. It might be worth it to use a few pairs of gloves here. Okay, I just checked the temperature here, and we are at 350 degrees. So we're gonna go straight down in there. Instructions say about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, and then you can flip them when you're done. So alligator bites, alligator tail. Okay, it's probably been about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes on each side. So we're just gonna do that. I'm gonna flip these things over. You can use tongs. I'm using my little fryer strainer here. I guess I can use tongs as well. And they're looking really nice. These are looking just like the ones I get when I go to the Cajun restaurant with my buddy Steve. We're guesstimating that we've done 2 minutes or so. on each side, and I would say that these all look perfect. All right, the lighting's a little bit weird here, so I'm just gonna move these over here so hopefully it looks a little better. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull these off so that grease, that oil can strain out there. Because you wouldn't be able to eat these straight out of the fryer anyway. Those are gonna be mega, mega hot. All right, this is my Blackstone original prep cart, my favorite. People ask me which prep cart is my favorite. Definitely like this original one the best. And this is how we're gonna plate these up. Have these on one of my Lodge cast iron platters. And man, this is looking delicious. I do hope that it tastes as good as it looks, because it looks really, really good. Got a little bowl of ranch dressing here. I'm gonna go ahead and just try it. We're winging this, we've never tried it. The gator hammock seasoning that I picked up in Florida. We're gonna put a little bit of this on top. The color's right. Let me read the ingredients to you real quick here. Oh, look at there, a little bit on top of that. That's nice. So the ingredients on the gator hammock say all natural salt, granulated garlic, paprika, black pepper, granulated onion, cayenne pepper, celery seed, good stuff. And dare I say, a little bit of the Cajun sauce. So shout out, by the way, to the Sanders Kitchen. They hooked me up with this, I don't know, maybe last spring or so. And they've been subscribers of mine for a long time. They have their own YouTube channel, the Sanders Kitchen. They make homemade hot sauces, as in Louisiana hot sauces. Look at what we're gonna do. Sprinkle this as a garlic. Cayenne garlic. Is it cayenne garlic? What do they call it? Garlic hot sauce. Okay, here we go, folks. Take a look at that. Just trying to get a good thumbnail here. And of course, I'm all about the condiments, so you know I've got to dip it. I'm gonna pick up a piece right here. Feels good and tender. I'm gonna dip it in that ranch, and let's give it a try. I'm going all in. That's good stuff. Man, I need a little extra of the Sanders on there. Oh yeah. Shout out to Mike if you're watching. So folks, this is delicious here. Aaron is behind the camera. I'm gonna let him take a bite, and then we'll let you know what he thinks real quick. Thumbs up, thumbs down. He loves it. So there you go. It's Aaron approved. Shout out to Aaron, our son today, who's filming for me. You can hear him crunching behind the camera. So thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass that alligator. Aaron made this super cool reindeer for my wife, for Mummy. For her birthday about a week ago. So we were in Nebraska filming a couple weeks ago, and we saw Colorado homemade log reindeer like this. And Aaron, my son, said, "Oh, that's so stupid. We could make one that's nicer than that." Check that out. Made that out of one of the branches off of our ponderosa pines in the yard. We finished filming that 10 minutes ago, and this is my third batch right here. This is so good. Wow, definitely recommend frying your own, folks. I know if you live up north here, like where I do, you can't really get gator meat on a regular basis, so when you go on vacation, it's cool to get it. But boy, if you ever happen to be driving through somewhere down south where they sell alligator, and also the gator hammock, good product. So blind taste testing on all these products today, and I really enjoy them all. Thanks for watching, everybody.